Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to start up a blog. So let's go and get started immediately. So one of the cheapest way to start up as a blogger is to actually go to blogger.com. It's cheap for the following reasons. Number one, you don't have to pay for hosting, you don't have to pay for a domain name. Everything is free as far as you have a Gmail account, and you can open a Gmail account for free if you don't have one already. So when you go to blogger.com, I'm not signed in, so I'm going to see this page. It's going to tell you to create a blog. If you have an email, you just go here. If you have a Gmail account, just click on sign in. So it's going to load and ask you to log in. So let's choose an email. Try again, something went wrong. Let's see. Let's try some other one. Okay, and let's log in. So once you've logged in, I already have a blog running on this platform, but if you don't already have any, it's going to ask you for a new new blog, to create a new blog. So what you're going to see first is this, to choose a title for your blog. What's going to be your title? So before you actually go ahead to create a blog, there are some things you should know. Number one, you should always try to do a research on your blog to know what kind of name you're going to use. Try to find something that's unique, so you don't have to struggle with ranking, and also try to find something that's easy to remember. So let's give it a practice. Let's say learn how to. Learn how to blog. Let's just use this for now. Next thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create an address for it. So since you're using a free domain, it's going to be under Blogspot, meaning it's going to be a subdomain under Blogspot. So we're going to do that next and choose a domain for this. So let's say learn how to blog, and you can see it's saying available over here. Sorry, not available. Wow, somebody's taking this. They beat me to it. Okay, let's just change something. Wow, still not available. That's still not well. This is getting frustrating, so let's find something else. How blogs work. This is really something else. I'm just trying to create something catchy so I could really remember. It's just for practice sake. You can create anything at all. Now that's available. Now you can still change the address later, but for SEO, I would recommend you stick to one. Choose one and stick to it. It's still changeable, but no. So let's see. Still not available. Wow. This is absolutely unbelievable. But let's just start with this. This will always be available. So you see, most times people check for domain names based on what people search for. So it's going to help you actually get a better rank if you can find that. So most time people want to search for something, they say learn how to, that's what they use, how to do this or how to do that, so trying to combine those things and make a domain name, so when people search I'm going to be ranked up. So because it will similar, it's almost as if you're looking for my blog, but you see that's not happening right now. So let's try something else. Learn how to blogs. Okay, it works, so save. Now if you're starting for the very first time, it's going to ask you one more question, which is going to be your display name. What is going to be your display name? That display name is talking about your author. So I'm going to give you a brief rundown in this part on how to go about your blog. So I'm going to explain your menu by the corner here. If you're using a mobile view, you might not see this, so what you have to do is just click on this part here to get your menu showing. So this is post. If you want to create a new post, you come over here and you click create post. This is where you see all the posts you created. Right now we don't have any, so let's create a new post and see what's going to happen. So over here you're going to say title. This is what's going to be the head of the main title of your blog. Then we go next and we see here you can change view on this part here. So let's say my first post, that's going to be the title. Then over here we're going to have a view. We have a compose view and we have a HTML view. Maybe you want to copy a particular script to show on Blogger. The best thing you just do is maybe have any script, a HTML script or something like that. You want to embed a script into your page, you best use HTML view. That's going to be best for you. So the compose view is a normal article writing view. So we have the undo and the redo buttons. We have the font type, we have the font size, we have the paragraph. What kind of paragraph are you doing? So we have the bold, the italics to make your text. So say this is text, and you have to highlight to have an effect. So you say bold, you can see it's bolder now. You can see italics to make it slant. You can also underline the text, and as you're working, it's auto saving over here. You see it's trying to save your work. The next thing you see is if you highlight this and let's say font type, you see it's changed the style. Paragraph, let's see, heading is bigger, subheading a bit smaller. You can go minor heading, still small. Paragraph, normal, normal, normal. So why you're going to need this later, because when you're designing your blog and you have several points you want to talk on the topic, you need to have several